I gotta say, I absolutely love these MFG trays. They're fantastic. They're my new go-to for competitions because they actually fit inside of a cooler, which is fantastic. The locking on here is amazing, and I always need stuff that's gonna work great. Like, all I do is like that, one hand, I can open that thing up, it goes on, big locks on there. It's fantastic. So these also go in a refrigerator, a regular refrigerator, not just a commercial refrigerator. They're stackable. For me, I could put 2 large dough balls in each one of these, go to a competition, pop them out, and rock it. This is great. I'm so glad I got turned on this.